When working in Light Stanza, there are many different ways to create a calc grid plane. To start, you will want to draw your space. You can do a room, which will already have the calc floor plane included, or you can do a space to where you can add it yourself. We'll start with this one. So as you can see, it includes your calc plane 2.5 feet from the floor. But then if you would like, you can also add another grid calc. So we could put it on the ceiling if you want to measure that light. So right now your calcs are facing up. We can just flip it. So now you're getting calcs for the inside. And then we can just stretch it out to fit over the whole space. And then once you go into your room, you can see that your calcs are there, but like not fully there. So then what you can do is have your grid highlighted. You can hold your control key and hit your arrow down, which will bring it down a foot. Or what you can do is hold your control and shift key, and you can stretch it down yourself depending on how far you want it. And so we'll just go about there. And then once you go into your room, you can see that you have 2 grid planes. From there, you can turn one grid plane off if you just want to calc this one, or you can have them all on, whichever you prefer.